Hi,
Hello,
how are you?
I am fine. And you?
Oh, yeah, I'm good, thank you. How's your day going so far?
Yes, ma'am. Nice to see you again, ma'am.
Very nice to see you again, too. Yeah. Okay. All right, so before we get started today, I do want to let you know. So next week, I am moving to the UK. So I'm not working next week because there's a lot I need to do. And my schedule will change a little bit. It should not affect any lessons that I have with you, but it is going to change. Okay. All
So
right.
you want to say that next week you will not available.
Yeah, next week I'm not available. But after next week, everything will be as normal.
Okay, ma'am. No problem.
Okay, great. All right, so let's get started.
Here we will
Yes. All
start from this.
right, great. Okay, so what I'd like you to do for me, please, is to turn these into can sentences. So, yeah, so for example, I can swim a mile. All right, so can you do the first one for me?
Yes, ma'am. Olga can run 5 km. Second
Beautiful.
one,
Next.
second one is David can play soccer really well,
Very good.
and Joseph can bike for 2 hours.
Very good.
And last one is that Mark can shoot from the 3 point line.
Very good. Okay, so just one small correction. It's nothing very major, but this name here is Joyce.
Joyce. Oh,
Okay, so just keep in mind when we have a C and there is an E or an I next to it, then it is an S sound. But if the C has an A, U, or an O next to it, then it is a K sound.
A sound.
Yeah,
Joyce.
Joyce, good. Okay, brilliant. All right. So, do you know what a triathlon is?
Yeah, uh, two of your good friends are going to do team triathlon next month and are asking you to join them. Now you need to discuss which part of the race one of you is going to do.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I mean that in triathlon there is three type of sports:
Mm-hmm.
swimming, cycling, and long distance running. Which
Yes,
I
that's
know
right.
that. Yeah.
Okay.
So as a student, if I choose them, that here is that I can do, but I can't do. So I can do long distance running because I when I was younger, when I was in 12, 13 years,
Mm-hmm.
I run a lot. I like to running. I like to
Mm-hmm.
running. So and other thing that swimming and cycling. Swimming I don't know how to swim, and I never try. So I won't choose this. And cycling I cycle. I usually use cycle, but ride a cycle, but I never. In this case, I also I never participate any competition of cycling. So I
Mm-hmm.
didn't. I won't choose them, and I choose only athlete, long distance running.
All right. Well, then that makes that very easy. Is there any reason why you have never and you don't want to learn how to swim?
How to swim because I've never tried. I am not interested about this.
Okay. All right. Fair enough. That's a very good answer. Yeah. Okay.
I'm not interested.
Okay. All right. So again, we're gonna imagine. So can you read again for me, please?
Yeah, your family is going on a vacation in the winter and need to decide where to go and what to do. Use can to discuss what activity are possible in this different location. So
Mm-hmm.
student. So in my opinion, I belongs from India. So and actually I am living in a small town. As I said that. So if I have an offer and I have a chance to go anywhere, so I would like to go Assam. It
Mm-hmm.
is situated in northeast part of India,
Mm-hmm.
Assam. And near Assam, I would like to go Guwahati
Mm-hmm.
because it's holy places. Holy places. There is a holy temple which is famous all over in the India, Kamakhya temple, and
Mm-hmm.
there is a Brahmaputra river passing through it. It is a this city is about I think 216 kilometer per square their area. So and
Yeah.
it is a very visit place that like all over the world people come from here, and
Mm-hmm.
the main thing is that there is a it's a city of mountain hilly area that I want to I want because last time my
Mm-hmm.
exam was held. Actually, I tell a story that my exam second yeah, second last Sunday, I think that my exam held on Guwahati and I visited first time. Before this, I never visited that place. So when I visited, I see that high level mountain, hilly areas, people, and people also from people from Guwahati also look like Chinese.
Mm.
If you heard anything that in India there is people look like Chinese, so the answer is Guwahati or Assam. So the scenario is very good that, and it was very good experience for me.
Mm. Mm. Okay. Okay. You make really, really good points. And I think this would be an absolutely fantastic place to visit. Um, but I'm going to make your argument a little bit more difficult.
Okay,
So we are going there together, and we're going to be going in winter. So for
when
me, yeah, in winter. Okay, so for me, I am always cold. So I would like to go somewhere that's warm, like really warm.
really warm.
Uh
So
huh.
in India, I would like to go in southeast part of India, south part
Uh
of
huh.
India because southern part of India, there is actually the lowest temperature is
Mm-hmm.
that I think that 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. There in on this part of India, there is always weather is remain same, not very hot, not very cold.
Mm-hmm.
So if I have a chance, then I would go there in for warm places because
Okay.
because I said that I already told that 15 degrees Celsius and maximum 50 degrees. 15
Okay.
to 20 degree minimum and 50 degree or maybe plus.
Okay. All right. That's a really good argument. Well done. You're very good. That's really great. Okay, brilliant. I love that. I thought that was fantastic. And you are very, very good at selling your idea to go and visit somewhere. I think, yeah, I think that would be both would be absolutely fantastic to go to.
Thank you.
Great. All right, so that is the end of the lesson. So there are a few more slides that we can do for some extra practice. But before we do that, do you have any questions?
Yeah. Uh, my question is that some question is belong from course and some question is beyond the course. So my first question is that this today's our lesson is sports. So which sports do you like, ma'am?
So the only sport that I really like is a sport called handball. It is mostly played in Europe. And the reason I like it is because I understand it. I don't, this is a very typical thing to say, but I don't understand how most sports work. Um, so I understand how handball works, and it's a really fun sport to play. Yeah.
Ma'am, my and other person beyond from the course, ma'am, can I ask, ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, actually, uh, last time I saw you, you are looking like a nun. Are you professionally nun?
No. No. No, um I'm actually trying to be a makeup artist.
Oh,
So yeah. I think it's my beanie.
okay, ma'am. No, ma'am, last time you are fully look like a nun, just like I see in a movie, the nun movie.
Yeah.
I watched, so I think you also watched that. It's a horror
Uh,
movie. So
yeah.
you are fully looking like a nun. So I think beside you teaching, you are also doing some other professional job. So,
Yeah, no, I do have other jobs, but I'm not a nun.
oh, oh,
Yeah.
no, ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am,
Uh-huh.
ma'am, I want to ask something that mm, I appreciate you. If you don't mind, can I upload our video in social media? If you don't mind, I won't emphasize
No,
you.
I have no problem with that at all. That's not an issue.
I didn't catch you, ma'am. What did you say, ma'am?
Okay. Yeah, I have no problem with you uploading anything to social media. You have my full permission. I don't mind.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Problem.
I
Okay.
appreciate you, ma'am. Ma'am, because ma'am, I think ma'am, many, I don't want to say, but many students uploaded without asking to the tutor. But I think it's a diet of tutor. Then if you want to upload any video, you have to ask first. And then if he permitted, then I should go forward. Then if he's not permitted, if he or her, then I stop.
Okay. Well, I appreciate you very much for asking permission. And yeah, you're more than welcome to. I've got no problem with it.
Okay, ma'am.
All
So
right,
I
great.
think time is passing through. It's been a lovely chatting to you.
Yes, it's been really great chatting to you as well.
Chatting.
And yeah, thank you so much. You did absolutely fantastic today. Like I said, I really loved your persuasion skills. They're very, very good. And yeah,
Yeah. Ma'am, how many countries do you travel, ma'am?
so far I have traveled to 7 countries, but I'm trying to travel to as many as I can.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay.
actually, I also want, but mm, now I am focused on my studying. So first I
Yeah.
complete, first I
Mm.
completed, then I will think about it.
Mm.
And my
Okay.
also means that I will also travel as much as I can. Travel.
That is an absolutely fantastic thing to do. And very quickly, where do you have an idea of where you want to travel to when you're finished studying?
Where I want to travel? I travel actually all over the world.
All over. Okay.
Uh,
Yeah.
Firstly, Spain. Spain because beside English, I also learning Spanish. So,
Ah, okay. Okay, that's amazing. That's very impressive. All
so
right.
ma'am, it's
Yeah,
time to
unfortunately, time's over. So have a great day, and I'll see
have
you
a great day.
soon.
Thank you.